يعني كا
هلا سوكر دواري عليها ويا رجاي ويا رجاي ويا رجاي ويا رجاي
The area is dry. Here we are in Rubato. There is a water well funded by Danish Muslim Aid. The water column is very good and the water is very sweet. MashaAllah, protected water. People being used to walk for long distance to collect water, but now we bring close water to the community. This is a pastoralist, agro-pastoralist people, have animal, people. They are all getting benefit from this well. MashaAllah, Jazakum Allahu khair.
ويا رجاي